Motorized shear shade gear coupling assembly tutorial. This is our spacer strip. This is the slider. First, let's confirm. The distance holes on the left and right sliders all face downward. Then we need to string the spacer strip, sliders, and carriage together. Thread the spacer strip into the slider. Pull tight. Press the first slider and spacer strip onto the second one. Then thread into the second slider. Then pull tight. Repeat this way. Thread into the last carriage. Fit the carriage on like this. Then pull tight. Then cut the spacer strip above the carriage. Prepare the number of sliders according to the track length. This is the left slider set. This is the right slider set. Set them aside for later use. Now we start assembling the left track. First, take the main motor end and the left end of the gear coupling. Place them on both ends of the track. Insert the belt into the clip, do not lock it. Insert the clip into the holder. Insert the holder into the track. Pull the holder to the other end. Remove the holder and clip. Remove the carriage, holder, and clip. Thread the belt into the main drive unit. Then insert the clip and lock firmly. Put in the holder. Then insert into the track. Insert the track into the main drive unit all the way. Move the clip flush with the track edge. Cut the belt at 7.5 centimeters from the track edge. Align the U-slot on the holder with the U-hole on the carriage. Fasten the screws. Thread the belt into the gear coupling. Clip the belt into the belt clip and lock firmly. Insert the belt clip into the carriage holder. Slide the sliders into the track. Insert the hexagonal mandrel into the slider holes. Thread in the hexagonal mandrel. Insert the mounting base onto the mandrel. Then rotate it. Adjust all sliders to the same direction. Then turn back to 90 degrees. Vertical position. The sliders on the track are not aligned. We need to rotate the hex rod with the mounting base. Adjust all sliders to the same direction. Rotate 4 to 5 turns to align. Then turn back to 90 degrees. Now all sliders are in the same direction. Insert the gear coupling into the track. Then insert the mandrel into the gear coupler. into the square hole on top. Align the holder with the carriage. Align the holes. Fasten the fixing screws after aligning the holes. The left shear shade track is now assembled. Now we install the right track. The right track uses the same method, same as the left track. Place the coupler and secondary drive unit here. Same steps. Clip the mounting base into the track. Behind the first slider. The left shear shade track is now assembled. The right side is the same as the left. The right track is assembled. Now join the left and right tracks together. Do the adjustment. First push the left and right sliders all the way. Then insert the mandrel. Then fasten the screws. Fasten the screws. Now install the motor. Step 1. Insert the motor into the end and lock firmly. Clip the motor tail pin into the track. Then tighten the motor fixing screws. Finally clip the mounting brackets onto the track. Then install. Note, at the middle joint. And the end. Mounting brackets are 20 centimeters from the joint. 15 to 20 centimeters. Others are about 50 to 60 centimeters apart. Now we proceed with installation. Clip one here. Clip another 20 centimeters away. Clip one at the head. Clip one by the motor. All mounting brackets are clipped. Then you can finish installation. Motorized shear shade gear coupling assembly completed.